Thank you, Mama.
Thank you, Mama Annette. Thank you, Mama Annette. I love you, Mama Annette. I'm 6 years old. And then Sweetie is 6 years old. You buy for me 2 minutes. And Grace. 2 minutes. Us. You go out.
Thank you.
Thank you, Mama Annette. Thank you, Mama Annette.
Now you have what you have? Doctor set, bubbles, and
Telephone. And bubble.
bubbles, and what's that? Walkie-talkie. Because the one walkie-talkie, Mama Annette said they like it. I say thank you so much, Mama Janet. Thank you. Well, thank you.
Thank you.
Says thank you. Later you open, Sophia.
I open.
And then also thank you, Mama Janet. See, we buy also this one, Mama Janet. Oh. Eggplant, cucumber, carrots, hot dog, Sophia, and then this, she like it. Then juice and bread. Thank you so much, Mama Janet, for the blessing. God bless you more. Thank you. God bless you. More good health. Laban. Love you.